Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me for another CAD tutorial. I want to shout out to my regular viewers as well as my subscribers. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. And again, as always, I'm doing my best to try to improve on certain things, so just bear with me. Today I am into the strips thing. So I've had quite a few strips, and as you see here, these were just like some pink shimmer strips, the end of some matte strips. These were actually from a paper pad, where you had the matching, shimmery piece and the matted piece. And then I had those here from another set of satin, cardstock, green and blue. And I wanted to just find something fun to do. And we know about tags, about all of that. So it's not going to be entirely anything new, but I wanted to show you guys where I'm at with it, right? So I had taken a 4¼ by, well, let me see, it was a 4 by 5¼ piece of white 65 pound cardstock, which came from, this really. And then I layered the strips on it, and then I used my my die cut in order to get those two strips from it. So basically it's just, one of the everyday ideas that you can use, in order to utilize up some of your strips. So with this one, I am going to be doing like a couple of tags, nothing fancy, just very simple. Now this in and of itself, if you can see, is very colorful, pink and shimmery and what have you. So I didn't want to put anything extra to overpower it. So with this one, I am going to kind of just put candles on there. I had these again as some of the candles I had cut. I had done die cuts, well, die cut candles really. And I'm going to be utilizing those, and I will put them on here like this. Pretty much it can be a nice little birthday something. So I will go ahead and get it stuck. And then the other one, I was looking at maybe putting some flowers on there. So now I'm just going to do this very lightly because I don't really want a whole bunch of glue on there. But for this one, I was thinking of like more of a birthday, a birthday tag, maybe for a gift or something like that, that you can utilize it for. So that's why I'm using candles. And of course it could be, something else too. It doesn't have to be birthday, just an option. I'm pretty much having it, like staggered because I don't want it to be on the same level. Oops. Now, because this is shimmer paper, you also have to be careful because, things will just go sliding all over the place. And it's like, whoopsie, why did that slide? So this one basically is the first concept. And again, feel free to use, extra die cuts, anything you have about the place. That would be definitely helpful. With this one, I want to utilize, I think I have some, what you call them? Trying to see if I can find them, like mountain squares. I can use for those. So I'm going to put the bigger flower first, and of course, just put it anywhere really. So it will just be these two, okay? And these were some leaves I had cut out, so I'm just going to, kind of stick them under here somehow, some way, just to get some kind of something. Now, as far as again, the satin pieces, just be mindful that, they kind of slip very easy. So you want to be careful and make sure you use a glue that's going to keep it from just sliding all over the place. Okay. And then, of course, we have this here, which is our puncher. Now you can attach your string, you can put a sentiment, anything that you would like, but that's one of the things you have as an option for your strips. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next week, and do have a safe and wonderful week. Bye.